Hey guys, today we will create an animated content loader similar to Facebook and LinkedIn with only HTML and CSS. So this is the screenshot of what we are going to create. So let's get started. So first of all, I'll introduce myself. My name is Ghazi Khan. I am a full stack developer. So with total experience of almost 6 years, I decided to share my knowledge with all. This is my first video on YouTube and we'll be creating more on different tech stacks such as React, React Native, Angular, Node, WordPress, etc. You guys can contact me or get in touch with me or with my LinkedIn and Twitter handle. So this is the link. So let's get started, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and please press the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. So let's check what we will going to build. So this is the working example of what we are going to build. A basic card. It's a bootstrap card. So basic card with an image which is going to load, and then the content which has title and a short description. So this is the whole thing which we will be going to build today. So let's get started. I have a blank project ready here. I'll just create one index HTML and I'll change the title here, animated content loader. We'll add our style CSS, so I'll name it styles.css, and now I'll link that CSS with our HTML. One more thing, we need bootstrap for handling the basic styles. We don't want to get into all those basic styles and all in this tutorial, so we will be using bootstrap. So let's just get to bootstrap official website, and we'll grab the URL from here and we'll paste it. Yeah, so we're good to go now. Let's create the HTML first and then we'll move on to CSS, and I'm really excited to do this. So yeah, first I'll add a section, then I'll give it a container. This is the bootstrap class. Now I will use flex as we need our content to be centered from both sides, from horizontal and vertical, and we will give this full page view height of 100 to occupy the whole height of this screen. And yeah, so we will use column 6. Card, and then card body. I'll give it a class of item. Now as we want to align image and the content side by side, so I'll use flex here. We'll add a div for image, and same for content. So content will contain our title and our short description. Short title I can say here. And so our HTML is ready. So if we'll see this, we will blank card on the screen from centrally aligned from vertical and horizontal. Now we'll add our CSS to give it the power which we want to. So let's move on to CSS. So I'll add item image. I'll give the class, I'll give 50 pixel and height of 50 pixel. Yeah, that's pretty much. title, and we can give this a width of 200 and 200 pixel. We will give height of 12 pixel and margin of 10 pixel. Yeah, that's pretty much. Add, we'll give 12 pixel height for short title as well, and margin as well, 10 pixel, same as title. Here we will add more width to the short title. Yeah, so our basic HTML and CSS is ready here with no animation till now. We will going to add the animation. So let's first see what changes it does on the our HTML. We'll refresh it, and it doesn't have any effect. We just have our height is in, we just see that height is increased here. We'll inspect and see what all the properties which is there. So we have this height 50 and width 50 of the image. We have content, we have this title, it has the height and width. So everything is set. We just have to add the backgrounds to this. So we will not directly add the background on the CSS of all those elements. We will handle it from the animation. Let's create that animation. So we will use keyframes. We'll give it a name of loader. Sorry for the spelling mistake. Yeah. So at the loader at 0%, we will have background color. We will use RGBA as we want to have that opacity in the background color, so it will be the best choice to use RGBA 165 0.1. This is for 0%. We will replicate this for 50% and 100%, and here we go. We'll just made a small change in 50%. We need more opacity, and when we reach the 50%, when the animation reach to 50%, it should be more opaque to the screen, and it should have more depth in the colors. So now let so now and we want to support older browsers as well, so we will just you make a copy of it, and here our animation is ready. We will now add all our animations. We will now add animation to all our elements. We will be using 1 second for this, and the delay of the animation would be 1 second. We need this for infinite and ease in and out. So we will just duplicate it, and we will add a WebKit animation to support all browsers, and let's copy this to all the elements, and let's check will it work or not. And yes, it works. So we can also make some tweaks on the delay. Currently it is 1 second, so let's increase that to 3 seconds and see what changes does. So let's copy again and paste it with 3 seconds, and yeah, so here it is. This look much better with the delay of 3 seconds, and I really like this. So guys, this was all for today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and please press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Next video will come soon. It will be a series of React and React Redux.